Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've come with a new video that is really very amazing to you. Do you know why? Because today I have just learned a lesson from me myself only, that as you are also knowing that I have not been uploaded my videos on my channel since a long time, and even though when I used to be consistent toward my speaking English language, at that point only, at that moment only, I just record my video. So you have also thinking that I'm just not uploading the video since a long time, and that's why I'm just feeling bad for me because I have just stopped my practicing of English language since a long time. That is really very like embarrassing feel to me. Do you know why? Because already I just told to you that consistency is really very important to us for speaking English language, for practicing English language. But I have made the mistake that what I am just doing like since a long time, since like 2 to 3 days, I'm just not uploading the videos on my channels, and even though I'm also not practicing English language since 3 days. But yeah, I just thinking that I just lose all those things, and I'm just thinking that I should be consistent towards my speaking English language, practicing English language, because the flow that I have just been made for learning English language, for speaking English language, that has been broken. So if you really want to not break the flow of speaking English language, if you really want to speak fluently English language, confidently English language, so you just have to be consistent toward that. As I have also learned a lesson from myself only, that I'm just not consistent since 2 years. That's why I'm not able to speak well English language. Do you know why? Because the flow that I was having in speaking English language, in communicating with the people, that I have just broke. So if you really want to improve your communication skills, that's why I just told to you that consistency and practice is really very important to us. So you also don't have to just do the same mistake that I have just done. Like I'm feeling bad that I should not do this kind of things. But yeah, I will not repeat the same mistakes from the next time. But I have also learned a lesson that consistency is really very important to us, for us, if we really want to improve our communication skills, if we really want to practice English language in a better way. Well, so yeah, I'm just making since a long time this video, so I'm not able to express all those things, but I'm just expressing my experience, that what the 2 days that I have done, and like what the result that I have just getting now. Like even though I have not practiced the English language since 2 days, so what the result that I have get here? Yeah, definitely I could say that I have just broke my flow for speaking English language. And if I want to get the better result, if I want to get the better achievement of speaking English language, so for that I should be consistent, and I should practice the English language all about 15 to 20 minutes daily. I don't have to skip a single day for speaking, for not speaking English language. I just have to be consistent toward my speaking English language, then only I could speak better English language. So yeah, like I told to you, I just like give the ideas to you, that you just have to be consistent, you just have to do a lots of practice, you have to follow these steps, this kind of things I'm just sharing to you. But today only I've just not done the things that what I just suggest to you. So yeah, like I just think, in my opinion, I just think that consistency and regular practice can change yourself. So don't forget to be consistent towards your goals, not only in learning speaking English language, not only in speaking or practicing English language. If you also want to do something in your life, if you have also some career in your life, so be consistent towards that. What are the tasks that you want to do? Just do that in a consistent way. You don't have to skip the single day, because if you will skip the single day, then you would lose one day learning process. So I would like to suggest to you that you don't have to do the same things, that same mistakes that I have just done. And definitely, like if I have started from today only for speaking English language, for practicing English language, and for giving to you the tips, ideas, experiences, how I could improve my communication skills, and how you could improve your communication skills. So from today onwards, I'm just doing the same practice, same learning process I'm just going to follow, that I should be consistent. And if I'm also not getting the time for speaking English language, but I have to give to 10 to 15 minutes anyhow. And there is no one, there is no human beings, and it's common for all the people that they get the 10 to 15 minutes in a spare time. And if he or she is like getting the spare time, then he or she should speak or practice English language if they really want to improve their communication skills. So in my point of view, I just think that I should not repeat the same mistake that I have just done. Like, I'm just not practicing English language. Like, I was engaged in some works and that was really important for me. That's why I have just let the work of was practicing English language as I'm a student. And I have to also manage all the things that is necessary for me. So I have just let for 2 days. But there is no need to worry. I don't have to break my flow of speaking English language. If I will just think that yeah, I could, if I want to really speak English language, if I have the curiosity to learn English language, if I have the determination to do better in my life, and if I really want to achieve the improvement of speaking English language, then I just have to be consistent toward that. I just not lose my hope that if I have just not been practicing English language since 2 days, so I have forget all the English. Yeah, it's definitely not. We don't have to lose hopes. We don't have to give up in our life. Yeah, sometimes we just face a lots of difficulties, and somehow we could say that we face the difficulties, but we don't have to just lose ourselves, because if we will lose ourselves, then the life will also be so much hurdles and lots of difficulties, lots of hurdles will come in our life. So we don't have to think about that. We just have to find the solution of that problem, that what the things that is necessary, so that I could not face the same problem again. Yeah, so for also learning speaking English language, practicing English language, if you're just like facing difficulties, if you're also making the same mistake, then start to find the solution of that. You don't have to go behind it. If I'm not able to do this kind of things, then I should quit this kind of thing. You don't have to think. You just have to think, if I'm just facing the problem, then I should have to find the solution of that. That in what case, in what the moment I'm just lacking, and what the things that I should do so that the same problem I can't face again and again. Okay, so well, I just think that this video will definitely going to helpful to you, that like the 2 days has given me a lesson that consistency is really very important for us if we really want to speak well English language. So you also have to be consistent, and you don't have to lose your hope for practicing English language, for learning English language. So well, thank you guys. I will meet in the next video.